I turned my wife's design into a 3D printed lamp. I made these sci-fi inspired lamps and my wife said to me, I want a real Japanese looking one. I asked her what the panels should look like. So she drew this. And I made this. I designed the wood structure directly into the 3D model, so that you don't have to deal with any slicer settings. Due to the speed changes the printer has to make because of the built-in geometry, you get those nice gradients of wood color. I'm using the Eisenmade? I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is their PLA white pine wood filament. It has a really nice color and feel to it. I like it. Alright, let's build the lamp. I designed the lamp that all parts snap and slide together very easily, and with the one-piece light diffuser insert, you don't need any glue for the assembly.